Today's Friday Find is at Eden in the East Village. This high-end apothecary shop is unlike anything else that we have here in our city. Honestly, when I walk in, I feel like I am walking into a store in London. It has products that you really can't find anywhere else. Everything that you need for self-care, from candles that smell delightful to lotions, skincare products, everything that you need. And this is also where I always come to find my baby gifts. You wouldn't necessarily think to come here for baby gifts, but they have the best selection of books, stuffed animals, and of course self-care for that new mama as well.
I'm Joshua Sines. I am the Director of Sales here at Eden, a longtime staple in the East Village. We have been here for 17 years. We are a apothecary filled with all of the hardest to find items in the Midwest and sourced from around the world. A big focus of our shop has always been able to bring you all everything that we love that you can't find.